morning, guys. Today is February 3rd, and this morning in our devotional, it is blunt boastfulness. Psalms chapter 75, verses 4 through 7. I said to the boastful, do not deal boastfully, and to the wicked, do not lift up your horn. Do not lift up your horn on high. Do not speak with a stiff neck. For exaltation comes neither from east, nor from west, nor from the south. But God is the judge. He puts down one and exalts another. Psalms chapter 5, verses 4 through 6. You are not a God who deals in wickedness. Evil may not dwell with you. The boastful shall not stand before your eyes. You hate all evildoers. You destroy those who speak lies. The Lord arbors the bloodthirsty and deceitful man. Matthew chapter 6, verse 1 and 2. Be careful not to practice your righteousness in front of others to be seen by them. If you do, you will have no reward from your Father in heaven. So when you give to the needy, do not announce it with trumpets, as the hypocrites do in the synagogues and on the streets, to be honored by others. Truly I tell you, they have received their reward in full. Romans chapter 15, verses 1 and 2. We who are strong have an obligation to bear with the failings of the weak, and not to please ourselves. Let each of us please his neighbor for his good, to build him up. And at the bottom it says, do you brag about what you have and who you are? Sometimes it's a subtle, most spiritual boasting about how serious you are with your faith and how much you have contributed to charity. Some people boast bluntly to hurt others' feelings, their humanity, and to cause damage to relationships. Everything belongs to God, so if you want to boast, do it in the name of the Lord and about His salvation, love, and grace. And that's all for today, February 3rd. I love you guys. As always, give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Like, share, and subscribe. Excuse me. Join me on Discord if you haven't already joined. And if you join, send me a message. Let me know that you're from YouTube. I love you guys. And if I don't see you in the next video, I hope to see you in heaven. Bye, guys.